Listen carefully, because what I'm about to tell you might change the way you think about nighttime healing forever. I've 17 years' experience of treating skin, aging, and human health from the inside out. I've learned one truth most people never hear: your body does its most powerful healing while you sleep. But what if I told you that a simple cup of warm clove water at night can unlock that healing in ways doctors rarely ever mention? Tonight, I want you to imagine something. You close your eyes, the world goes silent, and inside your body, thousands of tiny repair signals switch on like lights in a dark room. Your cells begin restoring, cleaning, rebuilding. Now imagine giving those cells a natural booster, something small, simple, almost too ordinary to be taken seriously. That is clove water. But here's the part that keeps people listening: it's not just a drink, it's a signal. A message to your body that says, heal deeper, recover faster, protect me from the damage of the day. Over the years, I've watched patients who were exhausted, stressed, dull-skinned, bloated, inflamed, transform quietly by adding this one nighttime habit. Not magic, not hype, just nature working at the right time. And trust me, we're only getting started. Because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal 15 surprising, almost hidden benefits of drinking clove water at night. Benefits you've probably never heard from any doctor before. Some of them will shock you. Some will make perfect sense. And some will make you say, why didn't anyone tell me this earlier? Ready? Let's begin. Now picture this: it's the end of a long day. Your body is tired, your mind is noisy, and sleep feels far away. You take one slow sip of warm clove water, and something begins to shift. Your breathing softens. Your shoulders relax. Your mind stops chasing thoughts. This is where the first powerful benefit begins. Deep, peaceful sleep. Not just sleep, but the kind of sleep where your brain finally gets to repair itself. For 17 years, I've seen patients spend money on expensive supplements, pills, even gadgets, when the answer was sitting in their spice cabinet all along. Clove water contains natural compounds that calm the nervous system. When that warmth reaches your stomach, your brain receives a message. It's time to rest. And when you rest properly, everything else improves. Your mood, your skin, your hormones, your healing. Now let's talk about the second hidden benefit: nighttime digestion. Most people don't know this, but your gut does a huge part of its repair work while you sleep. But if your stomach is bloated, irritated, or sluggish, the whole process slows down. Clove water gently stimulates digestion, helping your gut relax so it can repair through the night. That means less bloating, less acidity, and fewer, heavy mornings. But here's where it gets interesting, because better sleep plus better digestion creates a chain reaction inside your body. A reaction most people never think about. And that leads us to benefit number 3, something that can change how your body heals and how your skin wakes up in the morning. You're going to want to hear this. Let's move deeper. Now let's move to something most people never think about at night: circulation. Yes, the flow of blood through your body while you sleep. I've spent years watching how tiny changes in circulation affect skin glow, energy, aging, even mood. And here's what shocked me early in my career: warm clove water before bed subtly boosts blood flow in a way you can actually feel over time. Picture this: as that warm clove infusion enters your system, your vessels begin to relax, your blood moves more smoothly, your organs receive more oxygen, your skin cells, those tiny factories that create glow, suddenly get more nutrients. I've had patients tell me, "Doctor, I don't know what's happening, but I'm waking up with warm hands, warm feet, and a fresher face." That's circulation. Quiet, powerful, overlooked. And here comes benefit number 4, a nighttime antioxidant shield. Cloves contain eugenol, one of the most potent natural antioxidants we know. Think of antioxidants as your body's personal security guards. All day long you're attacked by stress, pollution, poor diet, sunlight, tiny invisible insults that speed up aging. When you drink clove water at night, those antioxidants go to work exactly when your body starts repairing. They neutralize damage, cool down inflammation, and help your cells reset. This combination, better circulation and stronger antioxidant support, is one of the reasons some people wake looking rested, glowing, and younger, while others wake up looking drained and older. But here's the part most doctors never talk about. Benefit number 5 ties these two together in a way that directly affects how fast, or how slow, you age. And once you understand it, you'll never look at your nightly routine the same way again. Now let's talk about something everyone wants, but few people truly understand: slowing the aging process. And I don't mean just looking younger, I mean aging from the inside out: your skin, your cells, your organs, your energy. After 17 years in anti-aging medicine, I can tell you this with absolute confidence: aging speeds up when inflammation and oxidative stress rise at night. And guess what quietly lowers both? That humble cup of clove water you sip before bed. This brings us to benefit number 5. Clove water supports collagen preservation. not by magic but by reducing the nighttime stress that breaks collagen down. Most people think wrinkles happen in the daytime. No. They form at night when poor sleep, poor circulation, and high inflammation attack your skin from within. But when clove water calms those internal fires, your skin gets space to repair, rebuild, and breathe again. Now benefit number 6. Immune resilience. While you sleep, your immune system works like an internal cleaning crew. But if your body is inflamed, stressed, or toxic, the immune system becomes distracted and weak. Clove's natural antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory compounds support this nighttime cleansing. Many of my patients began waking up lighter, clearer, and less prone to those mystery morning symptoms, like morning headaches, stiffness, or that dull, heavy feeling. And what comes next may surprise you even more, because benefit number 7 isn't about the body, it's about your mind. It connects deeply to your emotional state, your stress levels, and your mental clarity. You're about to understand why one simple nighttime ritual can change the way you feel every morning, not just physically, but emotionally. Let's move forward. Now let's move into a benefit most people never expect from a simple cup of clove water: your mood. Yes, your emotional world shifts at night, and clove water plays a quiet but powerful role in that shift. This is benefiting number 7: reduced anxiety and a calmer mind. Let me tell you something I've seen countless times in my practice. A patient walks into my clinic, tired eyes, tight shoulders, heavy sighs. "Doctor, I can't switch off at night." And I always ask them the same thing. What signal are you giving your brain before sleep? Because your brain listens. Every single night. Warm clove water sends a message of safety. The warmth soothes the vagus nerve, the aroma relaxes the emotional centers of your brain, and the anti-inflammatory compounds lower the silent internal tension you don't even realize you're carrying. Within days, many people feel their nights become softer, their thoughts slower, their sleep deeper. They wake not only rested, but emotionally lighter. And here's where benefit number 8 emerges: morning mental clarity. When your brain isn't fighting inflammation all night, it wakes up sharper, cleaner, more focused. My patients often tell me, "Doctor, I don't feel foggy anymore. I feel awake." That's not coincidence. That's physiology returning to balance. Then we arrive at benefit number 9, one of the most misunderstood: hormonal balance. Your hormones reset while you sleep, and clove water supports that reset by calming stress, improving digestion, and stabilizing nighttime metabolism. For many people, that means clearer skin, steadier energy, better moods, and smoother mornings. But what comes next might be the most surprising benefit yet. Something happening deep inside your body while the world sleeps. Let's continue. Now let's look at a benefit that happens quietly, invisibly, yet changes everything about how you feel in the morning: your body's ability to detoxify while you sleep. This is benefit number 10, and trust me, it's far more important than most people realize. Your body has a nighttime cleaning crew: your liver, your kidneys, your lymphatic system, and even your skin. They work hardest when you're asleep. But here's the problem: when your body is inflamed, stressed, or dehydrated, that cleaning crew becomes slow, tired, inefficient. And that's when you wake up feeling heavy, puffy, stiff, or mentally foggy. Clove water changes that. The warm liquid helps your lymph move more freely. The natural compounds in clove support liver enzymes. And the calm state it creates allows your body to shift into deeper repair mode. I've seen patients who used to wake up swollen, tired, or irritable suddenly start saying, "Doctor, I feel lighter in the mornings." That's detox working properly again. Then comes benefit number 11, improved skin clarity and texture. When your nighttime detox improves, your skin becomes clearer, cooler, brighter. Many of my patients noticed fewer breakouts, reduced dullness, and a more even tone within a few weeks. Why? Because clear skin is not just a beauty issue, it's a detox issue. Next is benefit number 12, reduced inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation ages every system you have: your skin, your joints, your metabolism, even your mood. Clove water helps turn that fire down gently as you sleep. But what's coming next goes even deeper, because benefit 13 connects your gut, your brain, and your skin in a way that shocks most people. Let's move forward. Now let's step into something incredibly powerful, and often completely ignored: the connection between your gut, your brain, and your skin. This is benefit number 13, and it changes everything once you understand it. Think of your gut as your internal command center. When it's irritated, bloated, inflamed, or unbalanced, it sends silent stress signals to your brain. And your brain, feeling that stress, sends signals to your skin. This is why people with gut issues often struggle with breakouts, redness, dullness, anxiety, mood swings, or restless nights. But here's the beauty of clove water: it calms the gut before you sleep. The warmth relaxes it. The antimicrobial properties reduce unwanted bacterial activity, and the anti-inflammatory compounds soothe irritation. When your gut rests, your brain rests. When your brain rests, your skin heals. I've seen patients with rosacea, eczema, stress breakouts, even emotional instability tell me, "Doctor, I didn't change anything else, but I feel calmer, and my skin looks better." That's the gut-brain-skin axis working in harmony again. And now we arrive at benefit number 14, support for weight and metabolism, not because clove water magically burns fat, no, but because it improves the systems that control weight, sleep, digestion, inflammation, and hormones. When those four align, your metabolism wakes up, cravings drop, morning energy rises, and your body finally stops fighting itself. And that leads to benefit number 15, the one I want you to lean in for, longevity signaling. Your body listens to every habit you repeat, and a nightly ritual like this tells your cells to repair, renew, and protect you for the long run. But don't stop now. What's coming next is how to actually use this ritual the right way. Let's go to the next section. Now let's talk about something practical, because knowing the benefits is one thing, but using this ritual correctly is what actually transforms your nights. And trust me, it's simpler than you think. Here's how you make clove water the right way. Take 3 to 4 whole cloves, not crushed, not powdered. Place them in a cup. Pour hot, but not boiling, water over them. Let it sit for 5 minutes, maybe 7 if you want a stronger taste. Then let it cool to a warm, soothing temperature. That's it. No complicated recipes. No expensive ingredients. Just nature doing what nature does best. You can add a slice of lemon or a tiny drop of honey if you like, but keep it light. Avoid sugar, avoid heavy additives. This ritual works because of its purity, its simplicity, its gentleness. But here's the part most people forget: consistency matters more than intensity. One night won't change your life. But 21 nights, 30 nights, that's when the magic starts. I tell every patient, make this your nighttime signal. Dim the lights, put your phone away, sit quietly for a moment, sip your warm clove water slowly. Let your body feel the safety of routine. Because healing doesn't only come from ingredients, it comes from the message you send to your nervous system. When you repeat this ritual night after night, your body learns, now we repair, now we reset. And here's where it gets interesting. Because in the next section, I'll tell you who should be careful, the mistakes people make, and how to avoid doing this ritual the wrong way. Let's continue. Before you rush to make this your new nightly habit, I want to give you something even more important: the cautions, the mistakes, and the truths most people never hear. Because even the simplest remedy must be respected. First, listen closely. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have a bleeding disorder, or are taking blood-thinning medication, you must speak to your doctor before adding clove water to your routine. Clove is natural, yes, but natural does not mean weak. It's powerful, it works. And anything that works needs to be used wisely. Second, the biggest mistake people make is expecting overnight miracles. Healing is not a firework, it's a sunrise. Slow, steady, beautiful. I always tell my patients, give this ritual at least 21 to 30 nights before judging it. Let your body adapt, let your systems reset, let your nights become calmer. Another mistake: people add sugar, heavy honey, milk, or spices that overpower the purpose. Keep it simple, keep it clean, keep it pure. That's how the body understands the signal. And here's something even deeper. Your intention matters. If you sip your clove water while scrolling through stressful news, rushing through chores, or fighting anxious thoughts, you cancel out half the benefit. This ritual works because it is part chemistry and part energy. You're telling your body, I'm taking care of you now. That message alone can lower cortisol, ease the mind, and prepare your body for healing. And now you're ready for the final section. Because in section 10, I'm going to bring everything together and show you how this one tiny habit can change your future, your health, and the way you age. Now, let's bring it all together. After 17 years of helping patients look and feel younger, healthier, and more vibrant, I can tell you this with absolute certainty: your body is remarkable. It wants to repair, restore, and thrive. And all it needs is the right signal at the right time. That signal tonight can be a simple cup of warm clove water before bed. Think back to the 15 benefits we've covered: deeper sleep, better digestion, improved circulation, antioxidants fighting damage, slowed aging, immune resilience, calmer mood, mental clarity, hormonal balance, detoxification, radiant skin, reduced inflammation, gut-brain-skin harmony, metabolic support, and longevity signaling. 15 small but powerful shifts that add up to a stronger, healthier, more vibrant you. And the best part, it's natural, simple, and something you can do tonight. I want you to picture this. 30 nights from now, you've made this ritual a habit. Your mornings feel lighter, your energy is steadier, your skin glows, your mind feels clear, your mood is calmer, and deep down, your body is quietly thanking you for giving it the tools to repair itself. This isn't about chasing perfection. It's about consistency, intention, and giving your body a simple, actionable habit that compounds into extraordinary results. Healing isn't dramatic, it's steady, persistent, and kind. So tonight, pour that cup, sip slowly, close your eyes, whisper to your cells, let's heal. Because with each sip, you're investing in your future, your health, and the best version of yourself. Good night, and here's to waking stronger, brighter, and more alive tomorrow.